Hello everyone. Have you thought of starting a faceless channel like this?
Who teach you to pose like celebrity?
Mama always snap picture and I copy her style with full confidence.
Who give you idea to taste sand today?
The texture confused me, so I taste them to confirm my theory.
Or this?
Big guy, let's get straight to it. You charged at a cameraman like you were starring in your own documentary.
Yeah.
And somehow he ended up chasing you away. Please, explain yourself.
Look, man, from a distance, he looked small and harmless, like an easy scare to warm up my day. I didn't expect him to stand his ground like I owed him money.
Channels like that are getting hundreds of thousands of views or even millions. If this is what you want, then you are on the right video. Today, you'll learn how to turn simple text prompts into full videos using Higgsfield Kling 2.6 audio. Kling 2.6 makes it easy to create smooth voiceovers, clean visuals, and fully automated faceless content with almost no editing. If you've been looking for a faster way to produce videos, stay with me and make sure you watch this video to the end, because I have a gift from Higgsfield to everyone who will watch this video to the end. Kling 2.6 audio has become one of the most reliable tools for creating narrated videos without recording your own voice. The speech sounds natural, the timing is consistent, and the visuals match the narration almost perfectly. It's ideal for tutorials, list-style videos, news content, and faceless channels. In this video, you'll learn how to set up the model, write prompts that actually work, generate scenes in batches, and assemble them into a clean final video. Start by opening Higgsfield AI, then you locate Kling and switch the model to Kling 2.6 audio. The link to this is in the description below. This mode generates visuals and narration together. Choose a steady, friendly voice style and a clean visual theme to keep everything consistent. I will test it with this prompt. Prompt 1. Create a clean, modern workspace animation with soft lighting and floating icons representing creativity and AI tools. Narration. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create content using Kling 2.6 audio. This tool lets you generate visuals and voiceovers from one prompt, perfect for faceless videos. Voice style, calm and friendly. In a few seconds, my video is ready. Let's play it.
In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create content using Kling 2.6 audio. This tool lets you generate visuals and voiceovers from one prompt, perfect for faceless videos. This tool is designed to make content creation seamless and accessible.
You can also upload a photo and write a prompt, and it will generate clean video for you. I will be testing it with a thumbnail I generated earlier. I will attach it and paste a prompt. Take a look at this.
You don't need to appear on camera. Kling 2.6 audio lets you build a branded style using colors, motion graphics, and a consistent voice.
Isn't that amazing? A bonus! All the prompts I will be using in this video are added to my prompt library. If you need the link to this prompt library, comment prompt below and I will send you the link. Let's go ahead and test this tool with a second prompt. I'm going to add this reference image I created to promote a product, and I will paste my prompt.
Start your day with legit EI hacks coffee.
Wow, look at that. It's very beautiful and realistic. One will not easily tell if that was created with AI. For longer videos, break your script into smaller scenes. Kling handles shorter narration with more accuracy, which keeps pacing natural and visuals aligned with the message. If tools like this help you work fast, simple, and smarter, consider subscribing to this channel for more AI tutorials that save time and make your ideas easier to turn into content. Let's go ahead and test this software with the third prompt. I'll go ahead and paste my third prompt, and in a few seconds, this video was generated for me. Let's play.
Hey guys, please don't fail to subscribe to our channel for more interesting content like this. Thanks for subscribing. Let's continue.
Did you see that too? So beautiful. Remember, faceless videos look better when they follow a consistent theme. Use the same color palette, animation style, and AI voice across clips to build a recognizable identity for your channel. Write your full script first, then divide it into 10 to 20-second segments. Feed each segment into Kling using the same voice style and animation theme, so the whole video feels unified. I will go ahead and try this software with another prompt so that you can see that this tool works for all faceless video styles.
Hey, Mr. Rat. No more wars henceforth, I promise. I want us to be best of friends.
This is so mind-blowing. Can you see how beautiful that looks? Note that you can write more detailed prompts than mine. Take your time and maximize this tool to your advantage. When you're happy with your generation, download all your generated clips and bring them into your editing software. Add light background music, clean transitions, and simple captions. Keep the music soft so the AI voice stays clear. If you want a ready-made outro, here's one more prompt.
That's how you can use Kling 2.6 audio to create full faceless videos. With the right prompts, you build clean, consistent content without recording a single voice line.
Kling 2.6 audio is one of the fastest ways to produce videos without showing your face. If you want more step-by-step workflows, prompt packs, or full faceless templates you can plug into your channel, subscribe and turn on notifications. Comment Kling Pack if you want a downloadable set of prompts for this workflow. Like I promised at the beginning of this video, Higgsfield is giving a massive 70% discount to everyone who subscribes to Kling 2.6 this month. They stand a chance to enjoy unlimited Kling 2.6 generation for 1 year. Yes, you heard that right. 1 year unlimited usage of Kling 2.6 and other amazing tools on their platforms, like Nano Banana Pro and lots more. Check the description for the link to Higgsfield. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.